Alright, I'm getting the conduit buried, gonna go do kind of a DIY thing, but our guys up the way were having a trench built, so I asked them to come by and dig a trench here. So probably be about 500 bucks for the trench. But I'm about to start gluing all this conduit and then get that in the ground as soon as they're finished, and then I can run my wire tomorrow or this weekend. But pretty cool. I'm stoked about it. And then I also have another neighbor coming, and he's gonna come redo the driveway, drop in I think three end dumps of material for that, and then the driveway will be looking good, and we'll have power in the shop. So projects are getting done. Alright, got this done. They're finishing burying it right now. It's all glued up. Basically giving them good help. And then, so we're gonna run this. This is a 200 amp panel. I can't open it because I just zip tied the stuff out. But it's a 200 amp power box that comes off of the main meter to this, and then I'm going to run 100 amps comes to this for our camper hookups and kind of just anything that needs to be done in the driveway, and then the other one is going to come off of another 100 amp right here, come out of this punch out right here, and then go over to the shop. So yeah, having local guys that do awesome work is definitely saves a lot of money. I mean, this whole job is going to cost about $500 for the actual labor on this. And then the conduit, you know, and all the electrical stuff and breakers and the wire. Wire was like $700, but everything else I think like $1,000 or so. So not bad to run power to the shop, and then I'll finish wiring up the whole shop. So stoked on it.